Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Al Haramain. House of Al Haramain doesn't need introduction. They are one of the biggest, if not the biggest, Middle Eastern perfume houses from United Arab Emirates, and I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances, and each of them impressed me because the quality you get and the ratio between what I pay and what I get is amazing. So when I saw this beauty under £20, this one is called Al Haramain Reflection, is aimed at men. It's a very simple box. It's a 50 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £20. If you go to Notino right now, they are selling it for under £15. So they have a sale on. So this one is aimed at men, 50 ml, and as you can see, very simple box, nothing to brag about. Okay, sorry about the noise. Here we go. Come on, give me a hard time. Okay, very simple box, but it's okay. As long as the juice is good, I'm happy. As always I say, if the juice is good and you give me the simplest box and presentation and the bottle, I'm very happy. But the reverse, if you give me the most elaborate, over the top presentation, bottles and things like that, but you give me a bad juice, what's the point of that? It's all the waste of basically money. Okay, so very simple, and it opens like this, and this one is called Al Haramain Reflection. It's 50 ml. As I said, in the United Kingdom you can find it under £20. Right now under £15. So very simple presentation, very art deco, very classic, not bad at all. Okay, so it opens. How does it open? It opens like this. So this is how you get, it says reflection here and it says Al Haramain on top. Very simple packaging, very simple presentation, but let's see how the juice. So the atomizer is black and gold, and here we go. The spray is not, it's okay, it's not bad. Okay, so how is the smell of Al Haramain Reflection and edited perfume aimed at men, 50 ml. Here we go. First impression. Ooh, very classic. So it immediately took me to 70s and 80s. Very floral, very heavy on the floral. The first thing that hits me is the florals. Yeah, white florals. Definitely neroli, definitely orange blossom, definitely jasmine. Very heavy on the florals. Goodness me, this is completely different what I was expecting. So this smells like classic. It smells like 70s and 80s fragrances. So if you like that genre, you will love this. But immediately took me to 70s and 80s. Very reminiscent of classics. At the moment it's very peppery and spicy a little bit, and also big on the citrus, bergamot, lemon, something like that. And but the main thing you notice the florals. So you need to like your florals, especially white florals. Oh my goodness, what a smell. Beautiful, but definitely mature, definitely classic, definitely old school perfumery. So you need to like these kind of things. Big lavender in here as well, because it's very aromatic. In the same time there's a fresh spiciness to it, like a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg. Goodness me, what a smell. Woody backbone, very clean. Cedar, sandalwood, it probably is a mixture of the two to make it very smooth and rounded, but very, very clean. So this is overall is a clean fragrance, but you need to lock your florals because this is huge on the florals, and because of that it could be easily unisex. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men. Goodness me, what a smell. To some extent, because it says reflection, I thought it's a copy or inspired by Reflection Man by Homage, but it's not. It's completely different. It reminds me of Grace Kobichard. Yeah, it's the same vein as Grace Kobichard. Very, very similar to that one. It's very, very 70s and 80s. It just basically shouts 70s and 80s. A little bit of herbal tinge to it, a little bit of spicy tinge to it, but not much, not big. The biggest players are the florals: jasmine, orange blossom, definitely neroli, maybe even some lily of the valley in here. So it's very, very dominant by florals. It's massive on the florals. So a hint of spiciness, hint of herbalness, woody backbone, but the woods are clean here, very, very clean. Cedar, sandalwood combination most likely. I can smell something green in the background. Maybe there is a vetiver in here as well, but this is an old school vetiver, very clean, very fresh. Overall, this is very fresh and clean fragrance. It's got a hint of sweetness to it. Yeah, from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 6 to 7 sweetness. So it's quite sweet, but it's not overly sweet. But it goes with the other components, which are the big, big florals in here. Mamma mia, what is that? Yeah, as I said, very, very 70s and 80s. So you need to like your classicals. You need to like your old school perfumery, because this is definitely 70s and 80s perfumery in here. I'm not sure what is it, even if it's inspired by something. I'm not sure. It says reflection, that means it's nostalgic. It is very, very nostalgic to me because it reminded me of many, many fragrances from that era, especially that Grace Kobichard is very, very reminiscent of that one. Obviously that one is aimed for ladies, but many, many men like that because it's quite on the masculine side as well. It's basically unisex. This one is very, very unisex as well. It's aimed for men, but for me this is definitely unisex. Anybody can wear it. It's very creamy, it's very smooth, it's very rounded. For the price, under 20 quid, even under 15 pounds, this is very, very good, very well done. The only thing is we have to wait and see for the performance. If the performance is anything good, even if it's over 6 hours, it's going to be worth it, because under 15 quid, that is a bargain. So overall, what I get from it, definitely citrus in the beginning, lemon and lime, maybe a little of grapefruit, hint of spiciness, cinnamon, nutmeg, a little bit, just not much, but it's there. A little bit of herbal feel to it as well. Big on the white florals, definitely jasmine, orange blossom, neroli, maybe even lily of the valley. And also big on the aromatics, which is lavender, most likely to be lavender in here. I can smell it very, very strongly. And the base is woody, cedar, and maybe even a sandalwood, because it's very, very smooth. And also it's got a little bit of backbone of greenness, which is probably is a vetiver in here in the base. So overall, it is up my alley. I love this kind of fragrances because it reminds me of my basically childhood. I smelled this in 70s and 80s many times, you know, the similar fragrances to this. So in the next video I'll let you know the development and things like that. But for a first impression, first sniff, yes, I paid under 15 pounds for it. I think under 20 pounds for it, and for that is very, very good. So if you like that genre, you will love this. I'll give it 2 thumbs up for now. Let's see how is the performance. Okay guys, If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are hidden gems. They are very amazing value for money, and they smell great. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, and this way you support me and get something very beautiful in return, you need to live in United Kingdom to do that. The lucky ones in United Kingdom. I have 18 perfumes in my lineup. I made them myself. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So they are true handmade fragrances, perfumes. No additives, no preservatives, no alcohol, pure perfume oils, plus ultra beast mode, amazing value for money. They smell great, they smell artistic, unique, they smell mesmerizingly beautiful and very mysterious. But you need to live in United Kingdom and purchase, so I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.